Good evening, third graders. Tonight we are going to do our test review for Unit 6. Your test is tomorrow, and we're going to do the study guide together tonight. Follow along with me as we do the study guide together. Let's go to number 1. Number 1 says draw a ray UV, that is parallel to ray BC. Here is ray BC. I know that parallel means opposite. I'm going to draw my ray the same as BC, but this one I'm going to label U. I'm going to create another point, V. Excellent. Let's move on to number 2. Draw a line TU, that intersects line segment DE. I'm going to draw my line. Remember, a line has 2 arrows on each end. I'm going to draw my points and label it TU. Your line doesn't have to intersect at the exact same place that my line did. You could also draw a line that intersects this way, as long as you label TU. Now your line could have intersections at different points. As long as it intersects and you've labeled your line TU with 2 arrows, you've done it correctly. Number 3, draw a quadrangle IJKL with 2 right angles. I remember that a quadrangle has 4 sides. So I'm going to draw my 4-sided figure. I'm going to label my quadrangle IJKL. IJKL. You could label your quadrangle with letters at different vertices, and that is okay, as long as you label it. Now I notice that my quadrangle has at least 2 right angles. Here's one right angle, and here's a second right angle. Remember, right angles have how many degrees? 90. Very good. Let's move on to number 4. Look at the shape under number 4. Letter A asks us how many faces. Let's trace the faces together. Here's one face, two faces, three faces. This shape has 3 faces. How many vertices? Here's 1 vertice, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Notice the 6 vertices. Letter C asks how many edges. First, we'll trace the edges on our bases. Here's edge 1, edge 2, edge 3, edge 4, edge 5, edge 6, edge 7, edge 8, edge 9. 9 edges. Check your answers and make sure that you have 3 faces, 6 vertices, and 9 edges. Let's flip our page to number 5. Number 5 reads, draw a picture of each turn. I'm reading along right here. Draw a curved arrow to show the direction of the turn. The vertex of the angle and one side have already been drawn for you. Letter A asks us to draw a 3/4 turn clockwise. I remember that clockwise is this way. So I'm going to draw 1/4 of a turn clockwise would be right here.